How to check active status on Instagram if hidden. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check someone active status on Instagram even if they have hidden it. It's super quick and easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And if the user has their active status turned on, you will see a green dot next to their profile if they are currently online. And timestamp like active 29 minutes ago if they were recently active. However, if no status appears, they have disabled these features in their settings. And if you don't see anyone active status, your setting might be turned off as well. So to enable it, simply go back to the main home page and from there simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and from there simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after tapping on that, you'll be prompted to the settings and privacy page. From there, scroll down and tap on messages and story replies. And now tap on show activity status, and here you can simply turn it on. But remember, you can only see someone active status. To do that, simply go back to your Instagram home screen and from there simply tap on the story. Now here choose any photo or video, and once you're done with that, simply tap next. And now instead of sharing it publicly, tap close friends and select the specific version you want to share. And once shared, monitor your screen. And if that person views your story, it confirms they were active on status even if their status is hidden. And that's it.